Welcome back to the Makeshift Project YouTube channel. I am excited to share today that I'm going to teach you guys how to go viral and how to grow a social media brand on TikTok. Super excited about this video. I've been waiting forever, but before we jump in, like and subscribe below. If you don't already, hit that notification bell, whatever it takes. Let's do it. The number one thing that you want to do is find something that you're passionate about. I say this because you can't create a channel and create a brand and be authentic without being passionate about something. So what you have to do is you have to figure out exactly what you want to talk about, what you want to do, and it'll all be worthwhile. The second thing you want to do here is take that passion and develop 3 or 5 series that you have endless content for. Us at the Makeshift Project, we did it for the this or that videos. We did it for the net worth videos. These things are countless and endless. We could come up with ideas and never run out. It's going to be something that you're going to be able to consistently produce for a topic. And it's really exciting when you're able to, because then you have endless content. And what do you do with that endless content? You film it. Number 3 is set a date and record your videos. Just set a date. Stop coming up with excuses for why you're not starting your channel. If you do this, you have to bulk record your videos. If you have endless content, you're not going to keep up if you keep filming every single day over and over. You're going to keep up by being ready prior, going into the filming session with prep material. You're going to film those 50, 60 videos, whatever you want to do. You're able to do it consistently because you have a date set. Number 4 is after you film those videos, you're going to have to store them somewhere. So you're going to bank your videos somewhere that you're able to save them. Whether that be your photo albums on your phone, whether it be a Google Drive account, which Brian and I use because we're both remote. You got to figure out some way that you're able to do so that you could relate back to these videos and just pull them when you're ready to edit and post. Number 5 is essential to TikTok especially. You have to make sure that you're posting at least once a day. And guys, I can't stress it enough. I can't tell you that, posting once a week, really high quality video matters. It doesn't. You have to throw stuff out there, have to throw those series at the wall and see what sticks. When you are posting, make sure that you're using hashtags that are relevant. It's going to target your material to your community that you're trying to reach a lot more than if you post without them. The other thing is you can hop on trends if you want to with the hashtags, perform some challenges, whatever it might be, whatever's hot. It's not a bad idea to generate traffic, but you want the series around it to build that bigger brand. And lastly is you want to make sure to post to all platforms. So I'm going to teach you guys real quick how we post to all platforms. First, you open up the Google Drive app. This is where Brian and I's material is. We have all these folders. It's great. I go to the video. I click on the 3 dots. I go to send a copy. From there, I click save video. I open up TikTok. I click the plus. I'm ready to upload my video. I pick a popular song because you want to reach those users who are listening to that sound often. And then I come up with a caption. And this is where I throw all those hashtags. I throw something relevant and make sure that it's very clear what's going on in the video. Copy that caption, and that's an important step. And then I post. I then have the TikTok version on my phone that I upload to YouTube Shorts because if I have music behind it, YouTube Shorts won't allow you to upload your own music while keeping your audio. So I go to YouTube, I go to create a short, I pull the video just like normal, and then I get to the caption. You're gonna paste the caption used on TikTok to make it super easy to cover all platforms. Once you hit post, you want to go over to Instagram and do a similar thing. This time you're going to be posting the Reels, but you're just going to post the caption and change that hashtag FYP caption that you're going to include in all your TikToks. For Instagram Reels, you're going to label it IG Reels instead of FYP. So that covers posting, and I'm really excited to have shared that because a lot of people ask us how we keep up with our stuff. We do all the steps that I'm mentioning now. It's great. The 6th thing that you're going to do, your content's up, it's posted, you shared it with everyone, it's out there. Next thing you want to do is reply to comments. It's going to create that community and that voice that you care about the people watching your video. People will just comment hi, they'll comment what's up, doesn't matter. Reply to all of them, make sure you're engaging. 7 is essentially important. You want to consistently be reviewing the videos and series that you're putting out and evaluating what's working and what's not. From there, all you have to do is continue with the stuff that's working and stop the stuff that's not. Some series take longer to catch on. I get that. So at least give yourself a month posting the series that you think will be successful. But after that, if it's not working, it's not working. You want to be known for something in the series. It wants to be something positive and something that people like. The numbers will tell you. And number 8, after you do all of this and you have everything together, you're building a small following. What you have to do from here is go live. TikTok, you get the live feature at 1,000 followers. It's a key opportunity to be able to live interact with your followers. Or just people stumbling upon your page. No better way to reel people in. If you can do something cool on there like live reviews, or maybe you're playing music, or maybe it's just answering questions. It's something that if you do consistently, people will appreciate it and people will come back for more. That wraps up the video. I hope that was helpful. It's something that's made us successful in the past and hopefully it will you too. Like the video, comment if you guys have any questions, but also comment your channels down below. I would love to check them out. I'll be checking this comment section, replying to you guys with answers for your questions, as well as checking out your channels. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.